do, what you can do in about an hour, or you can actually do the whole floor if it's a fairly small room. You got to clean this up, so you get a sponge. And you just lightly wipe it. You get it all off the tiles. When you wipe it, if you see a place that maybe has an air bubble in the ground line, you can just get a little bit with your finger and just put it in it, or just wipe it out with your finger. Okay, now after you have that white, you're going to let it sit for 24 hours. Now when this dries, this is going to have a little hazy glaze on it. So you got to come back and re-wipe it again. They make a glaze cleaner. You can mix with water and do it. You can use just vinegar and water, or just straight water. And you may want to have to do that twice, till you get all the hazy glaze off. Do it and then let it dry, and then do it again. And after this sits for 24 hours and this grout is dry, you have to seal the grout. There's different kinds. You can put it on with a paintbrush. They got in the spray can, you can spray it over the grout lines. And that seals it, because this grout is porous. If you spill something on it, the grout will stain if you do not seal it. So you want to be sure it's sealed. And also the grout, we mixed it up. You can get it in a caulking tube if you want. I don't find that's any better. It's more expensive. And the mortar, instead of the cement mortar that they use for 100 years or ever how long they've been doing it, you can get an adhesive, a glue type adhesive. It's a little bit harder to clean up, so that's why I like the mortar best. Backsplash, you would do it the same way. Alright, I think that's about it. I think I covered everything. I hope I didn't forget. If you do have any questions, you can check our website at northshorecollege.edu. We do have these classes if you want some hands-on experience. Most people in my classes, they have watched this sort of stuff on YouTube, but seeing it and actually doing it are two different things. I have people that never worked a saw. They're scared to death of the saw. But once they do it one time, they say, oh, this is easy. Same with the top. They're scared to death. They're going to mess something up or just not know how to do it. But once they get their hands in it and feel the texture of the mortar and grout and stuff, they say, oh, this is going to be easy. I can do this. All right, well, that's it. Thank y'all. And sign up on our website if you want to take the course in person.